In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Firefox. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video, and I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with Firefox installation file. And for that I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Firefox download page. For the preferred installer, I will select Windows 64-bit MSI and click on download now. And I will go back to my GitHub page. And here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on the package, then I will click on the button right here to download it, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will double click on the template, it opens up with NuGet Package Explorer, and because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools, then I will click on add existing file, and I will select the installation file that I have in my downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared in the package. Now I'll double click on Chocolatey install and on edit button right here. And I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that is responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the executable file that is in the package, it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. And to copy this snippet, I will click on the button right here, then I will go to my package, I will insert the script, and for the script to work we need to provide few values. First we need to provide our installation file name right here for the child path. So for that I will go to my downloads folder, I will right click on the installation file, select the rename, I will select the full name then to include the extension because the extension is important, and I will copy the name, then I will insert the value here. For the package name, I will enter Firefox. Then for the file type, I will enter MSI because we are using a .msi file as our installation file. And also we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently for this package. And for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switches that I will be using. So I will click on the button right here to copy the values. Then I will go back to my package, insert the values right here. And that's basically all that we need to do for this snippet. Let's save it and go back. Now we need to provide few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Firefox. For the version number, I will enter the version number that I see on this installation file. So it's 121.0. For the authors, you can enter whatever you like. For now, I will leave let's do automation. And for the description, I will enter my package. And that's basically it. We can save the values by clicking on this green button. And now we can save our package. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it inside of my Downloads folder. And I will also use my Downloads folder as a Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's save. And that's it. Now we have our package and we can try to install it. And for that I will open my terminal application and I will run it as an administrator because we need administrative privileges to install the software. And here I will enter Choco, install. Then we need to provide our package ID that we entered here. So let's type Firefox, and because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to enter -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and my downloads folder. And I will also add -y and press enter. And now let's wait a bit and see what's going to happen. And as you can see, the package was successfully installed. If I minimize my Chrome, we can see Firefox desktop shortcut here. I will double click on it. It opens up and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.